Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this VW Amarok. So from any screen, if you click the nav here, if it goes onto map there, if you see the map screen, you can just click that again, and then you've got this screen here where destination memory, last destinations, petrol station, car park, points of interest, and we go back there to address. Click the button in the centre. You've got town in United Kingdom, postcode in United Kingdom. So there you go. Actually, it's also a touch screen, but I prefer to use the knob in the centre because my blooming sausage fingers never seem to work on these screens. So we're on postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley, Preston, P R. Now it's gone up to numbers here, so that's great. 5, 4, and then gone back to letters J, S. So that's it. You've got start here. So there you go. Click there. Okay.
The route is being calculated. Keep straight on this road for 3 miles.
That's it. That's one of the quickest and easiest sat navs to use. To be fair, let's just see if we press that again, nav, and then you can stop also. That's another good thing. Touchscreen, you just stop the instructions when you get near enough to home that you don't need them anymore. Just knock it off rather than keep listening to them. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this VW Amarok. From any screen, you can, if you go to phone there, nothing available, into setup, Bluetooth settings, just go down, telephone audio volume, factory settings, so Bluetooth settings, paired device list, and you see there John's phone, Barry's phone, so highlight it there and you've got delete here. Click delete. Delete the device, are you sure? Cancel or delete. Delete. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this VW Amarok. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then you've got phone, no phone's connected. Setup, Bluetooth settings, select, paired device list, search for devices. We need search devices. So you can either touch it or turn the rotary control in the center and then click to select. You see there it's already come up VW phone. It's thinking about it. Showing Barry's iPhone here. Barry's iPhone. Select. It says there, look, pairing in progress, please use passkey 400000. Pair. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so don't allow there for me. And it's connected. Another great thing with this system, if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there at the bottom, I'll just turn this down, but you can see the VW phone. So you know it's already connected. If for any reason it's not, and there's no tick next to it, just touch it, and you can see the VW phone. We go across here, click media. You may have to click it a couple of times if you've got anything else, a USB or some other input attached to the audio system, but you can see it's playing there. I'll turn that up a bit, and then using the volume control on my phone. So it's a real good audio system in here as well, and very, very easy to use. Dead simple.